What's up, guys? If you saw last video, you already know what's going on today. In case you missed it, check this out. So let's go waste some time and start opening them up. Here they are. These are the XXR 2s, 15 by 8, 0 offset, Hankook Ventus V2 Concept 205 50 15s. These things are sick. It's just all my little goodies that came with it. Vinyl sticker, valve stem caps, valve stems, center hubs. This right here isn't one of the most beautiful things you've ever seen. I don't know what to tell you. Everything I have here today I got from fitmentindustries.com. You pick your tires, you pick your rims, they will mount them and balance them and send them straight to you. Not a sponsor, I just genuinely like their stuff. So we're going to start on the back, and the first thing you're going to want to do is get the back seat. You just kind of pop the front up and pull it straight out. And that'll expose this 10mm socket bolt right here, and you get that off so you can get behind here to get to the top of your strut in the back. Once you get that off, just pull this whole piece straight up and it comes out. That's the hook. And then those are the 3 nuts for the top of your rear strut tower. First things we're going to do down here is get these 2 bolts off of the knuckle and off of the sway bar end link. And then you want to take these off and pull the whole thing straight down.
One pathetic sob story later.
Oh yeah, that's how you do it. Whoop, that easy. Then we just get the new one back up in place. And then once you get your sway bar end links in, tighten them up. The front is pretty much the same exact process as the back. So we're gonna bust all these out of here. Get your brake line detached from the bracket. Don't forget your little brake line hose back here. You just repeat the same process again on the other side. And then you are definitely going to need an alignment after this. As far as all my settings go, with my damping and everything, I'm just going to leave everything as it was when it came. And after I test drive it, I'll feel it out and make adjustments if I need to. And in order to adjust the ride height, you'll just want to measure, pick a spot. I'll do usually collar to collar, or the actual end plate to end plate. And get you a measurement. Break this bottom collar loose. Using the spanner, you'll spin the entire shock body. Then you just get your interior and your seats back together. And look what else just came in. I got the Megan Racing strut tower brace. It's just mocked up right now, just sitting on there. I think I'm gonna paint these ends red just to match the rest of the bay. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this one. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.